Navigate to the Transfer Funds tab to transfer funds between your accounts. You have the option to process a one-time immediate transfer, a one-time in the future transfer, or a recurring transfer. For all three types of transfers, select the account that you wish to transfer funds from. Select the account that you wish to transfer funds to, and enter in the amount of your transfer. Click Continue to process the transfer. For a one-time in the future transfer, select the date that you wish for the funds to transfer on. Click Continue. For a recurring transfer, select the frequency that you would like the transfer to happen at. Select a start date, and then choose an end date. You have the option to choose never, meaning the transfer will happen until you delete it, or to end the transfer after a certain number of transfers. Click Continue. To transfer to an account that is not yours but that is still serviced with Christian Financial Credit Union, click Transfer to an account that is not yours. To set up an account that is not yours, click Set up an account that is not yours. Enter in the account number, the last name of the member, and a nickname. Click Submit. Confirm that the account information, last name, and nickname are all correct, and then click Confirm. Navigate back to the cross-account transfer screen by clicking on Transfer Funds, and then clicking on Transfer to an account that is not yours. To process a cross-account transfer, select your account that you wish to transfer funds from, and select the other member's account that you wish to transfer funds to. Enter in the amount of the transfer, and add an additional transaction description if you wish. Click Continue to process the cross-account transfer. Keep in mind that cross-account transfers are not needed to make transfers between accounts that you have ownership of or joint ownership of. Cross-account transfers are used to transfer funds to Christian Financial Credit Union member accounts that you do not have ownership of.